Okay, so in the previous class, I was explaining you perimeter. Okay, in the previous class, I explained to you the perimeter. Today, we will try out some questions on that. Okay, the length and breadth of a square field
Should we write this?
no.
Okay.
The length and breadth of a square field is 18 meter and 22 meter. We have to find its perimeter. Find its perimeter.
Ma'am, perimeter, right?
The perimeter,
Yeah, ma'am.
yes.
So that's yes, what is that? Ma'am, that's 80 meters.
Ma'am,
80 meters you are getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Getting 80.
So we have to do 2 length plus breadth. So basically length and breadth. So we can do length plus breadth times 2. So 18 meters plus ma'am, so 18 meters plus 22 meters is 40 meters, and then if you multiply that by 2, you get so then that equals to 40 times 2, which is 80.
Correct amount, that's right. So that is how we have a perimeter of the rectangle. That is how we've got a perimeter of a rectangle. That's right. Now, one more question we will try out. Do you want to write this down or have you written it?
I didn't write this down, but do we have to write this down?
You can write just the solution. Write the length equals to this, breadth equals to this, and then the solution.
So now, can you repeat your question? What you said?
Just write down the length and breadth and the solution.
Okay.
When shall I move ahead?
The length is 18, right? And then Breadth is 22, right?
Yes, Emma.
Okay.
I'm clearing it now.
Done, ma'am.
The base BC of an isosceles triangle
Ma'am, do we have to write this too?
no, just write the base is equals to 6 centimeter.
Ma'am, so just write BC equal to 6-7 meter.
Yes, 6 centimeter, and one side of the two equal side is 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter.
And then I'll write side 1 and side 2 equal to 5 centimeters, right?
Yes. Solve this and tell me what will be the perimeter.
Ma'am, what are we finding?
Perimeter of this triangle.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
What is the answer?
Yeah, ma'am. 16 centimeters.
16 centimeter is correct. Okay. Perimeter is sum of all sides.
Ma'am, so perimeter equal to 5 plus 5 plus 6, which is P equal to 16 centimeters.
Yes, Emma. So 5 plus 5, 6, 16 centimeter. That's right. Next question. One side of an equilateral triangle
Ma'am, we did area for plane figure yesterday, right?
Yes.
I mean on Friday, right?
We did area for plane figure yesterday. We checked out how
Okay, ma'am. Yeah,
it is
yeah.
calculated in centimeter square or like in square units. One side of an equilateral triangle is 7 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Abraham, perimeter.
Ma'am, it is 21.
20. Yes. Because it is an equilateral triangle, we can do 7 s, oh sorry, perimeter is equals to 3s, that is 3 into 7, 21 centimeter square. Okay. Okay, now we will move on to the next thing. Okay, now when we have to find out the area of a triangle with the help of a graph paper. Now we will learn two methods. Finding the area with the help of a graph paper and finding the area using formula. Okay, using graph paper and using formula. So for that I will share the book with you. Okay, for that I'm going to share the book with you. Hope you can see. Okay, now when we have to find out the area of a triangle using a graph paper, okay, suppose this is my triangle. Okay, this thing is my triangle. And I have to find out the area using the graph paper. I have to find out its area using the graph paper. Okay, what I will do, I will see how many squares it is like covering. Okay, on the graph paper, how many squares is my triangle covering? I will check that. Now, some triangles, if you look closely, Emma, I cannot see you. Yes, now I can see you. Some triangles are covering the full square, which are shaded. Okay. Some are covering half squares. Okay. And some are will cover even less than half square. Okay. Some will cover even less than half square, such as in this triangle. If you take a look, in this triangle, if you take a look, even half, less than half, sorry, even less than half, they will cover. Okay. So on that base, we will calculate the area. Now in this triangle, we can see that first we'll count how many squares are completely inside the triangle. So
Ma'am,
1,
4.
2,
Oh,
3,
sorry, no.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
and 12. So 12 squares are completely shaded. Number of complete squares shaded are 12. Now we will calculate how many are half shaded. How many are half shaded? So 1, 2, 3,
Ma'am, there are
4,
8 and
5, 6, 7, 8. In this one are 12 completely shaded ones and 8 half shaded ones. So write down in complete squares, half ones are 8. Okay. So what you can do, what you can do is, 1 second. Each incomplete square is half. Okay, so 8, see, half of 8 now. Okay, 8 are half. Okay, so 12 we will take. Okay, 12 we will take plus half. Okay, plus half multiplied by the ones which are half shaded. Okay, number of full squares plus half into 8. Okay, means we are taking the half of 8. Okay, we are taking the half. The 8 squares that are there are only half shaded. Now see, try to understand. Okay, if I have a square, okay, and it is half shaded. If I have a square, it is half shaded. So will I take, and I just want to include the half area, the half one area only. I just want this half one area only. Okay. So I will not take the full area, right? I will take like this only, now half, right? So that is why what we do, we've done half of 8. Okay. Because the 8 squares are only half shaded. The 8 squares are only half shaded. So 1 by 2 into 8. Okay, 1 by 2 into 8. So that is why 12 are full. So 12 plus 1 by 2 into 8. That is how we will solve, and we will get the area. How much? 16 centimeters square. Okay, the full ones we will take full. The squares which are full, we will take full. Okay, but the ones which are like half, we will divide it with 1 by 2. Okay, multiply it with 1 by 2 and take. Okay, and then solve it, and we will get 16 centimeters. Now how to solve it? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. 12 plus 4, 16. Okay, first you multiply and then you add. First you multiply and then you add. Okay, now next question. We have this. Okay, we have some squares in which are fully shaded, some which are half shaded, some which are less than half shaded. What we will do now? Now complete squares are 14. The number of squares which are complete are 14. The ones which are half shaded are 5. Okay, but then also we have those which are more than half. See this one. Check out this one. This one. This one is more than half. Okay, this one is more than half. So, and this last one also near the C, which is also more than half. So some we have which are more than half. Okay, some we have which are less than half. Look at the above one. If you look at this one, this is very less than half. This is also less than half. Okay, whereas this one is more than half. This one is more than half. Okay, so the ones which are less than half, we do not include that. Okay, number of squares which are less than half will be left without counting. Okay, those which are lesser than half, we will not count them only. Okay, we will not count them. But which are more than half, we will count them as complete shaded. We count them as full. Okay, complete squares. Okay, see, if my square is there, okay, if I have my square, okay, which is only this much shaded. Okay, so this is less than half. This is counted as not included. Okay, because this is less than half. This is less than half, so it is not included. If another of my square is there, which is shaded more than half, you can see that it is shaded more than half. So this is counted as fully shaded, full square, fully shaded. Okay, fully shaded. So that is what we are going to do now. Now here we have 14 which are complete squares, 5 which are half, and 3 which are more than half. So now number of complete squares will become 14 plus 3, 17. Okay. What they have done. Okay. So you can do 14 plus 1 by 2 into 5 plus 3.
Ma'am, why can't we do add the less than half to more than half and count it as 1?
Add the lesser half to more than half. No, Emma. The lesser halves are totally discarded only.
Okay.
Okay, the lesser halves are totally not counted, but the more than halves are counted as one full thing. Okay, more than halves are counted as one full thing. Okay, so 3 into 1 plus 3, I don't know why they have done it, but 2 ones are 2. Okay, I can only now see. Don't cancel 2 with 14. Okay, do not cancel this 2 with 14. Why? Because it has a plus sign in between.
Is it
Yes.
20?
19.5 is written, Abraham. Okay, so we will
Ma'am,
cancel.
ma'am, I think they must have done a mistake.
They must have done a mistake.
Ma'am,
Okay.
here's why, ma'am. Because, ma'am, can you just scroll a little bit up?
Yes.
No, I want to see the figure, ma'am. If you count the base, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you count the height, it's 5. So base into height, it's 40. Then 40 divided by 2 is 20.
Okay, Abraham. Okay, that is right. Okay, if you take a look at it that way, it is right. But if you take a look at the square way, how much of the part its line is covering, how much of the part its line is covering, then you can see that it's not covering every square equally like in the previous one. Some is covering it's very less, some it's covering more than half, some full. Okay, so according to that we are counting. Okay, and see, look at the calculation also. Now 14 plus 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 0.5. Okay, we are counting according to the boxes of the graph paper. Okay, so 14 plus 2.5 plus
Just check.
3,
It's other remote data.
19.5 centimeters square.
We can
Okay,
put all our little trinkets in it, like the propeller guards and all.
okay. Now we will also do it using the formula. Okay, we will also do it using the formula. The formula for the area of triangle is half into base multiplied by height. Half into base into height. Like I have explained to you, like I have explained to you in a triangle. This line is the height.
Ma'am, the
And this,
answer is 9.
the answer is 9. Which question? Okay, this question.
No, ma'am, the one below it.
I'm not getting which question you're talking about.
And the one you were just explaining, like this one. One.
This one, muted, Abraham. You're muted.
Ma'am, the one you were explaining now. The one below this question. Yes, ma'am.
Eight,
The answer to this is 9.
8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. One.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see the triangle diagram, ma'am?
Okay, yes, the triangle diagram.
That answer is 9.
Okay, that answer is 9. Okay, Abraham, get it now. I get it now. So in this triangle, the length of the base is 8 centimeter. Okay. Height is 4 units. Okay. We will do multiply 8 into 4, 32 centimeter, and divide it by 2. So we are getting here 16 centimeter. If you do it with the graph paper method, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 complete squares. Okay. Plus 1, 2, and 3. Plus 3 only. Yeah. So 9. Okay. Yes. 9 are the complete squares. 9 are the complete number of squares. Okay. Now, I was explaining you that this is the formula half base into height for calculating the triangle. Okay. Calculating the triangle. I will give you one question. Calculate the area of this triangle. Base is 8, height is 5. Find out the area. Base is 8, height is 5. Find out the area. Where is Emma? Abraham, what is the area? Find it out and tell me.
Ma'am, did I already say 20?
No, Abraham, you didn't.
Ma'am, remember I said that, ma'am, the
Yeah.
correct answer is not 19. You were saying, even the answer in the book it's 19.5. I said, ma'am, the answer is not 19, it's 20.
When we calculated with half base into height method.
Ma'am, you just give me a
Yeah.
minute. My laptop battery is dying.
Okay. Hmm.
Huh? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
the
Abraham.
answer is 20.
The answer is 20. Okay. That's correct, Abraham. That is correct. Okay. Next is we will check out Heron's formula. Okay. I'll use the whiteboard now.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, we only have 3 minutes left. How will we be able to do Heron's formula in 3 minutes?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I was thinking about the same thing. I will explain it to you. Okay. But we will try a question on it tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Mhm.
can we do Heron's formula tomorrow, ma'am? Because like Emma is not there, only I am there. And neither is Joshua.
Neither is Joshua. Okay. Okay, I think that is a good idea. Let's do Heron's formula tomorrow. Okay, I'll explain to all three of you together. Okay. Sounds fine with me. Okay, Abraham. So that's it for today. Today's homework, please write it down. Can you post today's homework in the group, Abraham? Today's homework is for science. You have to do revision of lesson 5, first topic. Let me see what is the first topic. Math is exercise. Or in text questions, 16.1.
Okay, ma'am. I'll post today's homework, ma'am.
Today's homework in the group. I'll also tell you the science homework, Abraham. 1 minute.
But ma'am, by when, ma'am? Can I
Say
post
again.
it about? Can I post it around 11 o'clock?
Yes, Abraham. You can post it around 11 o'clock. Okay, but please post it. Make sure you post it. Okay, science homework is revise 5.1.1. Revise sexual reproduction for tomorrow's class. I'll ask you questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is still 5.1.2. 5.1.1 and 5.1.2. Revise still there. Okay. And tomorrow, first I'll ask questions from here and then we'll proceed. Revise the 5th lesson also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Abraham. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.